Good morning, hello everyone, and welcome to Zach's Garage. Today, well, judging by the title, you already know, we're going to France to go pick up a Pagani Huayra BC. Doesn't get much cooler than that. It's going to be a bit of an adventure, so let's see how it goes. Right, so I have made it to Calais, where a man took the keys from my Focus and said I'm taking that back to the UK, and how about that? So we are taking this back to the UK. We are currently at a little stop, just going to get a quick bite to eat, go to the loo, probably head back to the UK where it's going to visit the garage, going to get some cool photos. Tomorrow I think we'll probably end up taking it to Goodwood or something like that. But how about that? Pagani Huayra BC, and not any other BC, this is the prototype car. So we're going to maybe go on a little adventure around here, potentially. We do need to get back though with the current climate. We just want to get back home and make sure everything's all right. So anyway, let's just have a look around the car when we get up to the other side. So she's sitting pretty on Italian plates. So obviously we've got the Pirelli stickers. Obviously you guys will know this car quite well. There is actually a sticker on the side which says PT2, Prototype 2 BC. So we've got all my stuff in there. And if we go to the back, I mean, just look at this thing. It is absolutely mental. This was a very last minute trip. It's a lot of, tests to be done, but I think it was all worth it to be able to bring you guys some proper exclusive footage of the fact that we are actually going on a road trip in a Pagani Huayra BC, let alone it be a small one, but nevertheless still one that not many people get to experience. So let's hop in. So for this road trip I will be in the passenger seat, simply because the insurance on a prototype car is a little bit excessive. So I'm going to be taking the passenger seat for this, but we should have some pretty cool and pretty exclusive footage nevertheless. So we are en route now to Dunkirk to get some really pretty photos, hopefully. And yeah, look at the interior of this thing. I mean, the noise. I love this as well, quite clever. It's got like a sun visor almost effect to it. Right, so as mentioned, most of this video will actually be in the UK, but for now I just want to give you a little update. So we are heading back to I was going to say ferry then, tunnel. I mean, first impressions are super comfortable, but I have in fact been shopping and bought a few goodies. So this is probably the most expensive shopping trip in the world. As we are now waiting for the ferry, I thought I'd run you through a few bits on this car. So PT2 BC, that means prototype number 2 BC. Obviously it's the BC meaning that is the more lightweight, more track focused Pagani Huayra. There are some fantastic features on this car specifically as well. I mean, well, you can tell titanium tips being passed by an Audi TT, but we've got certain aspects like the matte carbon finish on little bits of this Pagani. I mean, this is actually the first time I've got real up close and personal with this car, especially, well, it's the first time I think I've ever seen a BC, so that's pretty cool. And noticing all the finer details. Obviously this car is a little bit rough and ready, obviously because it's being tested every day. This car's actually done 80-odd thousand miles, or kilometres even. So I mean, and it probably has done even more than that. So this is how they make the cars as impressive and as refined as they actually are. As train rides go, well, that's what you see every time, isn't it? I mean, jeez, let's go check this engine out.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. Listen carefully to the...
So we are back in the UK now, and well, it's been emotional. No, it's been good. We went to try and find some more picturesque parts of Calais, and well, there are none, so we just came back to England. So tomorrow we are going on an adventure, so if I don't catch you guys before then, I'll see you then. So we are now back at the garage, and instead of running through loads of statistics with you, there's so many videos on these cars. I just want to show you the sheer beauty and Italian passion that goes into making these Huayra BCs. So please enjoy a montage of some amazing shots of this, well, equally amazing car.